Now, as for Irma, that center of circulation now 145 miles southeast of Key West, Florida. So here it is, still right around that north coast of Cuba. That's where the center is. But we've been talking about how it's such a big system. So already we're finding those rain bands moving into some of our areas, especially sections of the Keys caught up in some of those stronger bands as well. Maximum sustained winds at 125 miles per hour, gusts to 155 miles per hour, pressure 941 millibars, and it's moving toward the west at 9 miles per hour. And once it gets back out over the waters, that center, it is forecast to strengthen before it makes that landfall over Key West, or the lower Keys, I should say, early tomorrow. We are under a tornado watch, all of South Florida, as those rain bands lash the region. You could get some brief spin-ups of some of the storms within those bands. So that is one thing to keep in mind if you were thinking about maybe heading outside thinking it's okay. Really, it's not, because you never know when a band may move through and offer up a tornado or a wind gust that you can't even stand up in, and that can be absolutely dangerous. I'll walk you through this Doppler radar, first pointing out where that core of Irma is down near the north coast of Cuba, and now showing you where some of the more intense rain bands are showing up through portions of the Keys. So from Key Largo down into Marathon still involved in some of the moderately heavy downpours, just soaking rains really attached to what is Hurricane Irma. So these are going to continue to move in off those Atlantic waters as we are heading through the rest of today. Some of those getting into South Dade as well. And yes, those winds can be strong enough to bring down some trees, as we have seen, and to cause some other danger or damage in the area. And then there's more activity offshore that will stand the chance for moving in, and this is all going to happen as Irma continues its journey, that core at least, closer to the lower Keys. Here's the view now for coastal Broward and Miami-Dade. We did have a really intense storm to move through around Aventura, perhaps clipping Hollywood. That has now translated inland. We can see it even pushing west of US 27 at this point. I'll put this in motion so you'll see that storm behind me. There it is, came in off the waters, and before you know it, it's west of US 27 there in Broward. So that's the situation with the rain on the radar, and yes, this rain could add up. We are under a flood watch through Monday evening. Here's the official forecast for rainfall accumulation from the National Hurricane Center. Now, in addition to the storm surge, they're calling for 10 to 20 inches of rain for the Florida Keys, some isolated amounts of 25 inches, and then for other areas of the Florida Peninsula, 8 to 15 inches of rainfall, some isolated amounts of 20. Let's bring in our Max Mayfield into this discussion to talk more about Irma and its path and some of the other hazards. Okay,
and Betty, come join me on the wind speeds here in a minute. This is on graphics 47. If we just look at that satellite imagery, we can tell that it already looks more symmetric than it did early this morning. I mean, it's still skirting along the north coast of Cuba there, but it looked a little ragged there early this morning, and it sure looks like the eye is still there on the coast, but over those little islands there. But that central dense overcast is wrapping all the way around it again, and you can see those outer rain bands well off to the north, already moving over the Florida Peninsula. The track, I just want to show you this because we try to give you a feel for the confidence. Sometimes we're not very confident, and I want you to know that. That's why I show those computer models, and we only show the reliable models. If you look at the more reliable models, you see that they're in really good agreement with the center of Hurricane Irma going over the lower Florida Keys and then paralleling the west coast from Marco Island up towards the Tampa Bay area. Now, remember, the strongest winds and the highest storm surge will be near and to the right of the track. So that just because you're in the middle or upper Keys doesn't mean you're not going to see storm surge. And even here on the southeast coast we are as well. Those, if you just think about it, as the winds go counterclockwise around the eye, that's pushing that water towards the Keys and towards the coast. And on the peninsula here in Miami-Dade, Broward County, that water is going to come in, and it's being pushed in by the wind, and it has nowhere to go. So it's got to either pile up or go inland. So that's why they're still concerned about the storm surge, and they're still saying 5 to 10 feet of storm surge in the Keys, 4 to 6 feet mainly in the possible anyway in the Miami-Dade County area.
All right, let's talk about the winds now. That's the other element of what Irma is bringing in our direction. Now, these are the current wind speeds, and notice these are sustained winds, and right now showing stronger down around a place like Marathon with that band sitting over it. Winds sustained at tropical storm force, 40 miles per hour. Not quite as strong at the moment in portions of Miami-Dade and Broward, noting those winds sustained, anywhere from 15 to 25 miles per hour, but they have been gusting even higher than that. And here's some of the wind gusts. Look at that one in Marathon, Max.
Right, and that's right now, and you know how far away we are from the core of the hurricane. Sometimes we inundate you with graphics, and sometimes maybe too many graphics, but this shows the probability of hurricane force winds. And they're obviously very, very high in the lower and middle keys. Here's Homestead at 22%. Moving up, there's Kendall at 22%, Miami 16%, Fort Lauderdale. These are low numbers well, a lot lower than they were this time yesterday.